Alright, so we're going to take a look at graphing a absolute value equation. In your equation, remember, first thing that you want to find is your vertex. To find your vertex, remember to go through and look at your equation and take the opposite of this guy and the same as this guy. So the opposite of 4 would be negative 4. The same as 1 would be positive 1. You graph that point at negative 4, positive 1, and then you want to find another point on one side of the graph. Now, because this is a negative 2 out in front, you also can use the slope to think about that, but just make sure you realize that it is going to open down on the graph because of the negative in front of the 2. So to find our other point, if you don't want to use the slope, you can plug in any value except for negative 4, because that's the only value that will give you the exact same thing that you got for the vertex. So if we plug in something like negative 3, a number that's close to the vertex but on the side of it, if I plug in negative 3 into my function, negative 3 plus 4 would be 1. Then you have absolute value of 1 gives you 1, multiplied by the negative 2 out in front gives you negative 2, plus 1 is negative 1. So negative 3, negative 1 is one other point on my absolute value. Then I connect my dots from my vertex through my other point, and then on the other side I do a mirror image, trying to make sure that my graph looks the exact same on both sides. Opening downwards because it's a negative 2, a little bit skinnier because it's the 2 stretching it out, opposite, same for my vertex.